Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make delicious apple keto gummies that are perfect for anyone following a low-carb or keto diet. These gummies are not only healthy, but they're also super easy to make. So, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 cup unsweetened apple juice, 1/4 cup powdered gelatin, 1/4 cup erythritol, half a teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. First, we're going to mix all of the ingredients together in a saucepan over medium heat. Make sure to whisk everything together until the gelatin and erythritol are fully dissolved. Once everything is mixed together, we're going to pour the mixture into a silicone mold. You can use any shape you like, but we're using these cute little apple molds to keep with the theme. Now, we're going to place the mold in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour, or until the gummies are firm. And there you have it. Delicious apple keto gummies that are perfect for snacking on the go or as a healthy dessert option. These gummies are low in carbs, high in protein, and packed with flavor. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy and delicious recipes. See you next time.